After 60, not all vegetables are as healthy as they seem. Some can quietly harm your bones, joints, kidneys, and blood sugar, while others can actively protect your collagen, strengthen bones, and keep your legs moving easily. Beets, often praised for lowering blood pressure, are very high in oxalates, which can block calcium absorption and form painful kidney stones. Green bell peppers, part of the nightshade family, contain lectins that may irritate the gut, trigger inflammation, and reduce nutrient absorption, affecting joint health and leg strength. Tomatoes, also nightshades, contain solanine, which can worsen joint stiffness, irritate nerves, and increase inflammation in sensitive seniors. Potatoes are high glycemic and can spike blood sugar like soda, raising the risk of diabetes, heart issues, and inflammation. But some vegetables are your allies. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane, helping build and protect collagen, strengthen bones, and reduce cartilage damage. Kale provides vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants that slow collagen breakdown, support joints, and protect bones and blood vessels. Okra's mucilage hydrates joints, improves nutrient absorption, and its antioxidants shield collagen from damage while supporting bone and cardiovascular health. Carrots deliver beta-carotene, vitamin A, and vitamin C, repairing and stabilizing collagen, protecting joints, skin, and connective tissues, and supporting eye, brain, and heart health. Choosing the right vegetables can either harm or strengthen your body. Avoid beets, green bell peppers, tomatoes, and potatoes as staples, and include broccoli, kale, okra, and carrots daily to protect your bones, joints, and collagen. Stay strong, independent, and maintain vibrant health well into your golden years.